Get ready for a fun-filled adventure in Naples with a variety of water activities available. Try exciting experiences like parasailing, jet skiing, and more as you explore the beauty of the city from the water. From Naples, Ischia day trip with ferry tickets and lunch. Embark upon a serene retreat to the verdant island of Ischia, renowned for its lush landscapes and tranquil atmosphere amidst the bustling city of Naples. Immerse yourself in the enchanting array of natural wonders that unfold across the volcanic craters, jagged peaks, and steaming lava fields that characterize this picturesque gem. Undertake the voyage from Naples aboard a comfortable ferry, arriving at the charming harbor of Ischia. Upon arrival, indulge in a delectable meal at one of the numerous local trattorias, which offer authentic Italian cuisine in a setting that perfectly complements the island's idyllic charm. To enhance your exploration experience, make sure to visit the Aragonese Castle, a historic fortification situated along the rugged coastline. This imposing structure, once part of a strategic military stronghold, now serves as a gateway to the island, connecting it to the mainland via a stone arch bridge that has endured multiple renovations throughout history, reflecting the constant erosion caused by the oceanic tides. Venture into the cosmopolitan yet exclusive town of Sant'Angelo, known among the affluent elite as a haven for those seeking seclusion amid the vibrant Mediterranean ambience. Delve into the heart of this charming neighborhood, characterized by its cobblestone streets, labyrinthine alleyways, and a lively atmosphere. Here, the air is crisp and the pace relaxed, offering visitors ample opportunities to savor the local delicacies, while taking in the serene vistas of the surrounding landscape. Throughout your stay, take advantage of the island's abundant culinary offerings and explore the myriad of dining options available. From traditional seafood dishes to gourmet creations, each dish promises to tantalize your taste buds and further enrich your sensory journey through the island's unique gastronomic heritage. In conclusion, a visit to Ischia offers a delightful blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural immersion, making it an ideal destination for travelers seeking respite from the urban clamor of Naples and a chance to immerse themselves in the island's breathtaking beauty. From Naples, Capri Island tour with lunch and Blue Grotto. Capri, a captivating island renowned for its enchanting landscapes and rich cultural heritage, offers visitors an unparalleled opportunity to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature and artistry. Situated amidst azure seas and crystal-clear waters, the island boasts breathtaking vistas and exquisite boutiques specializing in haute couture, making it an ideal destination for artists, writers, and celebrities seeking inspiration. For those eager to explore the island's natural wonders, embark on a scenic boat tour departing from the bustling seaport in Naples. This journey takes approximately 1 hour, during which passengers can marvel at the stunning coastline, including iconic landmarks like the statues of the Scugnizzo, Faraglioni, Marina Piccola, Grotta Verde, the Green Grotto, the Lighthouse, the White Grotto, and the Natural Arch. The highlight of this trip is undoubtedly the Blue Grotto, a natural wonder known for its mesmerizing underwater scenery. Upon reaching Capri, navigate towards the heart of the island via a guided boat tour around the coast. Here, visitors have the chance to discover lesser-known gems, such as the Gardens of Augustus, offering a glimpse into ancient Roman architecture and landscaping. Following the boat tour, head to the vibrant city center of Capri, where fashionable streets beckon visitors to browse through numerous high-end boutiques. In addition to shopping, indulge in a traditional Italian 3-course lunch, accompanied by refreshing beverages, served in the lively atmosphere of Capri. In the afternoon, venture further into the island's interior, visiting Mount Solaro, Villa San Michele, or simply unwind along the pristine beaches of Capri Island, where the clear waters provide a perfect backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Finally, board the return boat at Marina Grande Seaport, ensuring a smooth departure back to Naples, completing the unforgettable journey to this picturesque gem. Naples. Boat cruise in the Gulf of Naples with swim stops. Discover the enchanting beauty of the Amalfi Coast during a luxurious day tour aboard the meticulously crafted Patrizia. With this exclusive experience, visitors have the opportunity to indulge in gourmet dining, browse a well-stocked bar, and marvel at the pristine waters of the Mediterranean. Cruising along the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, passengers can savor delectable cuisine and enjoy refreshing drinks as they take in panoramic sea views. The journey includes optional shore excursions to explore charming coastal towns and immerse themselves in the rich local culture. The Patrizia motorship stands out as a premier choice among charter ships in the Gulf of Naples. Its state-of-the-art design combines elegance with unparalleled comfort, making it the perfect vessel for an unforgettable day trip. Equipped with amenities such as a lounge bar, a vibrant bistro area, a sun deck, high-speed Wi-Fi, air conditioning, a swimming pool, locker rooms, shower facilities, and beach chairs, the Patrizia ensures that guests have everything they need for a memorable voyage. Visitors can choose from various itineraries tailored to their preferences. For those who wish to experience the thrill of swimming in the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean, the Sapphire Cruise offers an exhilarating adventure. Departing from Naples, passengers first anchor in Capri, either Faraglioni Rocks or Marina Piccola, before embarking on a guided tour of the iconic Capri Island. Following a leisurely lunch on board, the group sails towards Sorrento Bay, where they can enjoy another swim. Upon arrival back in Naples, guests can relax in the lounge bar and savor more delicious meals before concluding their cruise. Alternatively, the Emerald Cruise provides a serene alternative by offering visitors the chance to explore the picturesque town of Procida. After a brief stay there, passengers continue their journey to Ischia Island, where they can admire the imposing Aragonese castle and swim in one of its famous pools. Returning to Naples, passengers can relish the final meal of the day before departing for home. For those seeking a more relaxed approach, the Capri Freetime and Island Tour option offers a tranquil escape. Departing early in the morning, guests arrive at Marina Grande, where they can disembark onto the Patrizia for a half-day excursion. Enjoying the company of fellow travelers, they can then proceed to Capri's Marina Grande, where they will disembark and board again for the remainder of their journey. This itinerary concludes with a swim stop on Capri's popular beaches and an island tour that showcases the natural beauty of the Aeolian Islands. Regardless of which itinerary is chosen, each passenger can expect a seamless journey filled with exceptional service and personalized attention. The Patrizia's experienced crew ensures that every detail, from navigating the challenging waters of the Mediterranean to providing comfortable accommodations, will guarantee a truly unforgettable experience. Naples Boat Experience. We will welcome our guests at Borgo Marinari, an inviting spot located conveniently near the Castel dell'Ovo, where they can embark on a captivating journey through the hidden treasures of the Neapolitan seascape. The tour will commence with approximately 3 hours of exploration, allowing ample time to appreciate the breathtaking panoramas of Mount Vesuvius, the iconic Del Ovo Castle, and the renowned Mergellina Beach. Our itinerary concludes with a visit to the picturesque Posillipo, unveiling its intriguing mysteries while offering insights into its unique charms. During this enchanting adventure, our hosts will serve an authentic Italian aperitivo, featuring Prosecco and bruschetta, complemented by opportunities to immerse oneself in the refreshing waters of Naples. Are you hesitant to join us? Join Julia and David, our knowledgeable guides, as we invite you to experience the most efficient method to discover the rich history and beauty of the Neapolitan Gulf. Embark on this unforgettable voyage today,